Blessed day, guys! Today we will repair a broken electronic drum kit or pad, whatever you want to call it. First, we will prepare the tools and materials that we will be needing. Guys, medyo nag-i-English nga pala ako ngayon, no? Kasi malay mo may manood na international, di ba? At least maiintindihan nila. Sana maintindihan at sana may nanonood sa ibang bansa. These are just a DIY repair. Pardon me if some of my procedures are incorrect. But I'm just trying my best to figure out why my drum do not have sounds. The most important part that we should have is this. The new sensor trigger.
That's right!
I bought my sensor trigger in an online shop. And then I use this soft foam for the packaging of a product. It will act as shock absorber. So let's start. First, we will light a candle. Actually, it's just part of a ritual. We pray that this drum set will be working again. Nah, I'm just kidding. It is just to remove the glue stick. I have fast forwarded some of my clips so that it will be short. I have completely removed the old sensor. That is the main culprit why that particular pad has no sound. I used soldering iron to strengthen the solder. Because I have encountered previously that the way they solder the wire on the sensor, it's not really strong. That's why I resoldered it. I just exposed the wire so that I will be connecting it later. I have discovered that I can also use the heat coming from the soldering iron to melt the glue stick. I should have done that a while ago. Now I will be connecting the wires from the electronic drum to the drum pad. Then I seal it with electrical tape. To make sure that the sensor will not fall apart and its wire, I use adhesive tape for added protection or support. Because sometimes when you strike the drum pad, the impact could affect the sensor. So before we assemble it completely, we will try if it is working. This particular pad is not also functioning well. Next time, maybe we will repair it. So, it is working. Time to assemble it. I have used the foam to serve as the shock absorber. Then it's time for the cable ties. You might be wondering, how did you connect that? I have repaired it multiple times. So the most convenient way to repair it easily is to drill holes. So that whenever it fails to sound again, I can easily repair it without disassembling the whole electronic drum. It's testing time! Thank you very much for watching again. So, hindi lang ako, pasensya na kung medyo trying hard tayo mag-English ha. Kasi medyo mahirap gumawa ng subtitle eh. Kaya, I try to speak in English na lang. Pero kahit hindi naman naiintindihan English you guys, napapanood nyo naman, di ba? Okay na yan. Until next time!
So catch me if I